As the world searches for alternatives to fossil fuels to meet the demands for sustainable sources of energy, hydrogen fuel cell technologies are proving to be a viable solution. Eclipse Automation has become a leader in supporting clients' needs for hydrogen fuel cell manufacturing automation. As new advancements in hydrogen fuel cell development continues, we can assist in new automated process development as a first step toward high-volume hydrogen fuel cell production automation. Our experience includes hydrogen fuel cell stacking automation, electrolyzer assembly, proton exchange membrane assembly automation, and membrane electrode assembly, with specialized experience in PEM and GDL material cutting and handling technologies, web handling systems, surface treatment technologies, adhesive dispensing and curing, separator sheet handling, precision stacking, and vision-guided motion and alignment. At Eclipse Automation, we drive innovation in the automation industry. Our commitment to research and development keeps us at the forefront of emerging technologies, enabling us to deliver the most advanced automation solutions available. For more on how we can design and build the future together, please visit eclipseautomation.com. We are Eclipse Automation.